Yo, what is good, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to ice up some cool gray 11 lows. Look how yellow these are. If you want to see me turn these around, check it out in this video.
All I see is icy, icy. All I see is icy, icy. Scotty Restoring Kicks. And all I see is icy, icy. Whoa.
Alright guys, now as you can see, these are super yellow. Super yellow. Can we turn these around and get these back to icy? We're going to go right into this. As you can see right in here on the suede, it's darker right now. That's only because I did just clean the shoe. I used soap and a brush and I, wiped it down. And that's why that is still waiting for that to dry. That's why it's still darker. But the main focus of this video is these bottoms. They are super yellow. And we're going to put the ice box to the test. Before we get into the video, also, if you guys are looking for shirts that match your shoes perfectly, I am creating shirts right now. Check it out. kickscrib.com right here. Go check it out. All different shoes, all different types of shirts that will match your shoes perfectly. Also, if you have any suggestions for shirts you want to see, put them in the comments and I will create a shirt design for that shoe. But now let's get into the video. For today's shoes, we are going to be using the Salon Care 40, and we're going to put that to the test against these super yellow bottoms. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so it has been around 6 to 7 sessions. And I gotta say, I'm not as happy as, I wish I was. These did not get as icy as I thought they could have. I hit a certain road bump where literally it just wouldn't go any farther. Like, I've never had this really happen before, but it kind of got to a point where it wouldn't get any lighter or back to icy, really. And I know where we started was they were really yellow, like pretty bad, almost brown. In some areas, so it makes sense why it was like that, but I really thought we could have got it done, but apparently it didn't work like that. But I'm going to show you guys the results anyway. Here are the results. Okay guys, as you can see, they are still yellow and they still have that. However, we did, if you can see in here, this is all pretty much icy in there. Even over here you can see a little bit of the blue tint. Now, if you guys are really comparing this to how we started, it is a lot better because, like, look at the before and after right now. Big difference. You can just see it was like a dark brown and now it's, definitely a lot lighter. Especially in here, that's kind of all gone in the middle. Also, up close and personal, all of this yellow is more of like a see-through yellow. So, like, I can see actually through the shoe, to the bottom layer, where on the other, before when it was all brown and stuff like that, you can't see down. Like, I can see all the checkered in here and stuff like that. It's like a more faint yellow, but it is still yellow. And looking at the shoe, I'd be like, okay, this is easy. I can ice this up right now. But again, I hit a certain road bump that I've never really had before. And that's what I wanted to explain to you guys is, even though we're icing these shoes up, and I'm giving you all these tips to use, it doesn't mean every time that your shoe is gonna come out perfectly icy. It doesn't work like that, unfortunately. I'm just giving you the best results that's happened for me. However, this happens to me too. Okay, this has happened a couple times where you can't get past this point, and it really it depends on the shoe. Sometimes they are too yellow to where whatever chemical reaction is going on doesn't want to keep going and doesn't want to get these any better. But it did clear it up, so I am pleased with that. But it's still yellow. Like, it's not gone, and that's the only thing that kind of bums me out. And I wish I had a solution for you guys. I've been getting DMs and stuff and comments on, it didn't work for me, this and that. And, I answer as many as I can, but I really don't have a big solution to it because some shoes, they just don't do it. Like I said, this happens to me too. Like, it's not just you guys. It just happens. But you've seen, I did not change anything with my ice box or anything. In my other videos, you see how icy those ones got. But, there is ones that I haven't posted that are just like this. It happens. It just depends on the shoe. And again, especially if you're buying a shoe either off of someone through eBay or through a marketplace or whatever, you don't know the lifetime of this shoe. You don't know how long they've worn it, how beat it really is. Even though it might not look as yellow as you think, like it still might be have a lot of wear and tear on it to where for some reason it's not working with the icebox. So that is it, guys. I did use the Salon Care 40 on these. And these are the results. So if I used another one, maybe I could have got better results. But I don't even know because, like I said, this was not budging. But I'm going to show you guys what it looks like anyway. So there it is. But hope this video helped you guys out. Hopefully it gave you some clarity on icing shoes. It's not always perfect. It's not always going to get back to that icy. We're just going to try our best to get it there. But I'm just letting you know it happens to me too. And I've iced a bunch of shoes. It's just random ones like this happen. But then I could get it. It's weird though, because I could get a super yellow pair the next time and they could get right to icy. Like it just depends on the shoe. So it's something you can't really even plan. It just happens. But yeah, that's all I got in this video, guys. Hope you liked it. If you have any questions or video suggestions, please put in the comments down below. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button. And lastly, if you enjoy this channel and you want to see more videos like this, all you gotta do is subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the push notification button so you never miss an upcoming video. So Scotty Restores Kicks, and do you want to be icy? Well, it starts in the soul. I'm gonna see you next time.